In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set DuckDuckGo as default search engine. If you prefer a more privacy-focused search experience in Microsoft Edge, switching to DuckDuckGo takes just a minute, and I'll guide you through each screen so you know exactly what to click and why. First, open Microsoft Edge. Once Edge is up, look to the top right corner for the three dots, also called the menu button. Click that, and then choose Settings from the drop-down. This opens Edge's settings page in a new tab with a sidebar on the left. In the sidebar, select Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Edge groups options related to how it handles your data and search behavior. We're heading here because the search engine controls live under this section. Now scroll down toward the bottom of the page until you find the section labeled Address Bar and Search. Go ahead and click that. This area controls what search engine is used when you type in the address bar. Next, click Manage Search Engines. You'll see a list of search providers that Edge already knows about. Many times, DuckDuckGo is already listed here. If you see it, great. We'll make it the default in just a moment. If you don't see DuckDuckGo, click the Add button. A small form will appear. For name, type DuckDuckGo. For keyword, you can enter something simple like DDG, which is just a shortcut you might use later. For URL, enter https://duckduckgo.com, %, exactly as shown. That % tells Edge where to insert your search terms. Save it, and DuckDuckGo will appear in the list. Now locate DuckDuckGo in the list. Click the three dots to the right of it, and choose Make Default. That's the key step. Edge will now use DuckDuckGo whenever you search from the address bar or the new tab page. You won't need to visit the DuckDuckGo site manually. Your searches will go there automatically. From this point on, when you start typing a query in the address bar and press Enter, your results will come from DuckDuckGo. If you ever want to change it back or try another provider, just return to the same Manage Search Engines page and select a different default. That's all there is to it. You've set DuckDuckGo as your default search engine in Edge, keeping your browsing streamlined and your searches more private without changing how you use the browser. Thanks for following along.